Okay. Are you ready to do some shape math and look at this book?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. This one is called Little Scarecrow Boy. We have some shapes here. We have some circles for his eyes, a triangle for his nose. Let's see.
Okay, Daniela.
Okay, Mason. You ready? Once upon a time in... Oh, do you want to read it?
This page.
Okay, go ahead.
Once upon a time, there was a scarecrow. And Scarecrow and his scarecrow little boy.
Uh-huh. His wife and his little scarecrow boy. Good job reading. I didn't know you knew how to read like that.
I sounded bad.
Yeah, I'm gonna read this one. Every day of the world, the old man Scarecrow went to the
corn and at crows. Every day of the world, his little scarecrow boy wanted to come to, and every day of the boy wanted world of the old man said Scarecrow, no, little boy, you can't go. You're not
fierce
enough to go, Scarecrow. To Scarecrow.
To scare a crow.
Are you a grow?
Yeah.
So every day, little Scarecrow boy stays at home all day and gets grow.
Yeah, so the daddy scarecrow said, you're too little to scare the crows, so you stay home.
I'm good.
You want me to read now?
Good.
Okay. Every day out of the field, old man Scarecrow waved his arms and made terrible faces. He made such terrible faces that the scarecrows nearly lost all their feathers in the sight of him.
All their feathers in the sight of him.
And they flew far, far away because that's what
flew far, far away.
Because that's what scarecrows do, right? They scare the crows. They keep them off the corn.
Yeah, so they don't get their food.
Yeah, they don't want it. Every evening when the sun went down.
Every evening when the sun went down, the old man Scarecrow came, ran home, rattling home, and all day,
evening. That means nighttime.
He said how seeking his his scarecrow house, teaching his little scarecrow boy how
to make
a
fierce, that means scary, face. Old lady scarecrow whistled through her.
No, let me do it.
Okay.
Old lady scarecrow whistled through her straight
straw
teeth. Look at of them.
So she was looking at them with her straw teeth like, wow, look how scary. And look at all these shapes we see.
Look at them doing good.
You were doing so well. Let's see, we have some circles and some squares and
Nike shirt.
Ooh, your Under Armour shirt, I like it. And some rectangles and some triangles, all of the shapes.
All the shit. They have ugly. The mom has lips.
She does have lips. Tiny
Look
lips.
at this.
But early in the morning when the sun came up,
the sun came up, it was the same old, little boy, you can't go. You're not fierce enough to scare the crows. Wait until you grow. So the scarecrow boy stayed at home all day and just grew.
So Dad was like, you can't go. You're not big enough yet. So he just
Yeah,
went home.
I read that page.
You
all
did.
by my pals.
Oh, we skipped it.
I can pals.
Then one day when the little boy had learned all 6 of his father's terrible
faces, dressed up quickly on he went quickly out of the house.
Quietly out of the house. Over the cornfield, up on his father's post in his father's place. It was a fine shining morning when the sun gleamed green down on the corn blades and the crows started to circle.
In his life, and they came flying
back.
a big black crow. Oh.
The little scarecrow made his first fierce face.
And he still came flying the big black crow.
Yeah, so he made a scary face, but the crow wasn't afraid. He kept flying towards him. Oh, the little scarecrow boy made his second scary face, but he still came flying towards him. His third face. Oh, time to go. So the little scarecrow boy ran down the corn rows. The black bird flapped its wings and made a noise. Looking back, he could see the blue sky through the feathers of the nearby crow. He ran and then he stopped. His fourth face, but the crows kept on coming. The little scarecrow boy ran. And then he made his fifth face next to fiercest
and still came flying the big black crow. The little boy had only one face left now and heard hardly any breath. Even so, he stopped and with his arms he scraped wide above his above his head, and he made his finger drop on his hand.
And he gave the big crow the sixth scary face, and whoa, the old crow flew backwards through the air, feathers flying everywhere, until there wasn't even a shadow of a crow on the land. The scarecrow was scared at last. Little boy knew that he was as fierce as a scarecrow as was in all the cornfields in the world. And then he saw a shadow in front of him, and he looked up, and behind him was Old Man Scarecrow, his father, and his father was proud of the little boy who made all six faces at the crow. And when the little scarecrow grew up, he was the fiercest scarecrow in all of the world. Ooh, look at this. What shape is that?
A circle.
What is it for? A circle is the shape of the
sun.
Great job.
So God can walk on it.
Yeah, so it's a circle in a shape of the sun.
So, and Jesus and God live in heaven.
They do, by the sun, yeah. Okay, so we did that. We read our story. Now, I'm going to show you something that I made. Let's see. Whoa. What is that? What does it look like? It looks like a witch, but what does it kind of look like this here?
A scarecrow.
It looks like a scarecrow, but this scarecrow is special because it's made of different shapes. It has a rectangle for the body, it has a circle for the head, a triangle for the hat, rectangle and square for the legs, so it has lots of different shapes. We're gonna make our scarecrow from different shapes, but before we do that, I wanna see what shapes do you know? So let's see. Do you know what shape this is? Oh, you know it so well. Can I teach you a song about a square? This is a square, this is a square. How can you tell? How can you tell? It has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the same size. All the same size, right? This side is the same as this side, is the same as this side, is the same as that side. That's what a square is. 4 sides, all the same length. But I know you know.
Who's coming over today?
Who's coming over?
You have to guess.
Frankie?
No.
Triangle?
No.
Who's coming over?
No, she's a girl, and her name, she has an R in her first name.
An R in her first name. Mariah?
No.
Who?
Riley.
Oh, that's so fun. So let's finish this up.
She
So
has
you can have,
braids.
she does have braids. What about this shape? What shape is this? A rectangle. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. How can you tell? How can you tell? It also has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. But these two are the same. And these two are the same. So it's close to a square, right? But look, these sides are the same. And these sides are the same. But these two sides are different.
You put it next to each other,
Uh-huh.
and if you cover the white, then the square is bigger.
The square is bigger. But a rectangle has two sides that are the same, and then the two other sides are the same.
And the
What's this one?
triangle.
This is a triangle. This is a triangle. How can you tell? How can you tell? It has three sides. 1, 2, 3. This is a triangle.
Look,
This is a
look.
triangle.
How
Yeah, you
they
could trace it.
triangle. This is
Just go down, over, and up. And this is a specific kind of triangle. It's called an equilateral triangle, meaning all the sides are equal. Okay, what about this shape?
Circle.
This is a
circle.
This is a circle. How can you tell? How can you tell? It goes round and round. No
It's like a
sides.
zero.
It is like a zero. No sides to be
Or
found.
an O.
Or an O. Yeah, that's a circle. It has no real side. It just has one long
It looks
continuous
like
circle.
my head.
It is a head, but you know what else it looks like a head? What did I use for this head?
Circle.
A circle. A circle is a good shape to use for a head.
And eyes.
Yeah, so we looked at our shapes. So let's look at our scarecrow a little bit more. So you made a good point. You said the circle is a good shape for a head because like your head is round.
This is googly eyes.
These are googly eyes. What shape are they?
Circles.
Circles, right? Because our eyes are kind of like circles too. And what about for a body?
These eyes are real.
Those are real. These are
And these are
pretend.
fake.
Those are fake, and our eyes are real.
This is fiction.
Yeah. What shape do
And
you?
this is non-fiction.
No, that's not fiction. That's real. What shape do you?
I said non-fiction.
Non-fiction. Big word,
That's
Mason. Non-fiction. What shape did I use
This
for the
is
body? Fake. Pretend. What shape did I use for the body? The body?
Rectangle.
Why do you think I chose a rectangle? What other shape could I have used?
Square, triangle, square, triangle.
Yeah, we could have done that. We could have done squares and triangles. And then for my arms, I use rectangles because arms are really long, right? Is your arm, stick out your arm. Is it a square? Are all the sides of your arm the same size?
It's like a rectangle.
It's a rectangle, right? Some sides are really long and some sides are short. And then for my hat, you could have used any shape, but I used a triangle because it kind of looks like a witch's hat, right? Let's look and see. His hat is a circle in the book. I used a triangle, but you could use a square for it. You could use whatever you want to make your...
Thank you.
You're going to use...
Orange, pink.
Yeah, and look, I have all these different colors.
This is the feet.
Those are the feet. I made squares for the feet.
But you need the knees.
Yeah, well, we could like pretend the knee is like over here. And I use circles for the hands. I know our hands aren't circles, but I think it's the best shape to use. What shape would you use if you're making a hand?
M.
Of the letter M?
Yeah.
Like for fingers? That's a good idea.
Oh, it's a square.
Ooh, a square. That would be a good idea too.
What's your favorite shape?
My favorite shape. I like circles because they just keep going round and round and round
I
and round.
choose a circle.
You choose a circle too? Why do you like circles?
Cause they're in the middle of my they're next to my S.
In Mason? In your
Yeah.
name? You do have a circle.
M-A-I-S-O-N.
Mason is correct. That is right. Let's see. I have an A in my name. A has like a circle and like a little line, so that's pretty close. I don't have any circles. Oh, my last name has a circle. R-O. And it's next to an S, just like yours.
Larry's.
Okay, so I have some questions for you. Do you think you can find something in the house that is a circle?
That.
This? We can show the camera what you're pointing at. That is a circle. What else do you think? I see something. That's a circle right there. What's that?
A basketball.
Basketball is a circle. Oh, what about a triangle? Can we find something in the house that's a triangle?
There's nothing in the house but the triangle.
I mean, maybe we'll have to take a look and we'll have to see. I'm sure there's something.
This.
Oh, you can make a triangle, yeah. Let's see, you have a magnet maybe? It's hard to find triangle. Triangle's a hard shape. We don't have many triangles.
Oh
The stickers?
no, the hat.
Let's go see. You can make it.
I'm just trying to kill.
This one?
Yeah.
Turning the camera so you can see.
Yeah.
This is more of a circle. See?
Whoa. Yeah.
Okay, so we're looking for a triangle. I didn't find one. That was hard. Triangles are a hard shape. What about some rectangles?
Oh.
Rectangles are a little easier, maybe.
Oh, I know one. So that.
The window.
No,
Turn it this way.
not like the box of the window.
Oh, like the window pane? Yeah, that's a rectangle.
And,
Oh, and we have some circles up there on the light.
I know.
Yeah.
That.
The TV looks like it's a rectangle too.
Nope, it is a red.
What about a square?
It's very
The base of the statue.
Yeah.
I could turn it over here. Whoa, the base of the statue is a square.
Or you can make one.
Yeah, it's harder. It's more like a rectangle.
Alright, a circle.
A circle? Okay, let's look for circles.
Oh,
Oh, I see. The pumpkin is kind of like a circle. Ooh, the lights up there are
Oh,
like
my
circles.
circle.
Yeah, that's a
My-
circle over
my
there.
pumpkin.
Your pumpkin's a circle. The candles have circles on them. You have lots of shapes in this house. But triangle's really hard to find. That's really interesting.
We don't have any triangles.
I wonder why.
Oh, the triangle can
Oh,
be right
yeah, we
here.
can use those triangles as triangles, yeah.
I'm ready to do this.
Okay, you ready? So we're gonna create our own scarecrow, and afterwards we're gonna count the shapes. Can we just practice some counting before we start doing this?
Yeah.
I just want to see how you if you can count, because we're gonna count. We're gonna make our scarecrow, and then we're gonna
One,
count how many.
two,
Oh, hold on,
three,
hold on. Listen, let's listen. Only count the triangles. How many triangles?
One.
One.
2,
Uh huh.
3,
Uh huh.
4,
Uh huh.
5.
Uh huh. One more. It's one more in the corner. It's red.
6.
6. Okay, so there are 6.
Now the squares.
6. Yep. Let's count the
1,
squares.
2,
1.
3.
Uh huh.
No, that's 6.
This one. Ooh, I got purple all over my hands. 1. Let's start over.
4.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm.
5.
5.
6.
Oh,
6, 7.
7. Yep. 1, 2,
You
3,
got purple
4,
all
5,
over.
6,
Don't
7.
touch
I know.
it.
I don't know what happened. Look, I got purple all over me.
Nah, don't touch it.
Okay. What about rectangles?
1. Then 1.
Just 1. Yep. You did a good job, because sometimes you can get rectangles and squares confused.
What about circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yep. 5 circles.
6, 7.
Oh, we counted those already. Remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5.
5.
Yeah. So you know your shapes, right? So we're gonna look. What about on here? But I have a special sheet for you. Let's see if I find it. Yeah. We're gonna. Do you know how to tally? So every time we count one, we do a little mark. Right? So let's do. What shape do you want to do first?
Circle.
Can you draw a circle here?
Oh.
Whoa! Be careful. Can you draw a circle where it says circle?
Okay.
Wow, that's a very impressive circle, Mason. I'm gonna get a pencil because this pen is leaking.
Leaking on here. No. Now I got purple milk.
I know, I'm turning into a purple monster too. Okay, but you did a good job drawing your circle. Okay, so now we're gonna count how many circles are on my scarecrow. Let's see. And then every time we count one, we're going to draw a line right here. So we have
Circle.
1, so draw a line.
Of the circle.
You have to draw one line.
After you go a circle.
No, yeah, right there, just draw one line. 1. And now we're gonna count 2.
2.
So draw another line.
Here.
Yeah, right next to it. 3.
3.
Draw another line. Where else do you see a circle?
I'll do it.
Okay.
2.
So that's 4. So draw another line
Look.
up here.
I'll take an S,
It
right?
does look like an S. Do you want to just count? Do you not want to tally? You can just count them all together. So just try doing that. Let's count all of the circles you see.
No, I like tongue.
A little bit of spit in there. Okay. So we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, what about the
Oh, but we're only counting the circle. So can you write the number 5 over here? That is a beautiful 5, Mason.
Wait, I have a better one.
Oh, we could do it even better?
Yeah.
Do you want me to tuck you in so you can... So you're not far, far away?
Where's Mariah and Georgina Mall up there? You already finished taking that?
Wow, that's 5. Okay, can you now count? Well, let's draw the square first. So draw a square.
Where?
Yeah, remember, try to make them as even as possible. All the sides should be the same length. Oh, that's a great square. All the sides are the same length. Let's count the squares now.
1.
Oh, is that a square?
No. 1, 2.
Mm-hmm.
2, 3.
What's this one?
3, 4, 5.
5. Okay, so there are 5 squares. So just write the number 5 right here.
Here, where? Here?
Under where it says final count square. Oh, is there 2 or is there 5?
2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You said the right number, so write the number 5.
5. Now don't spit on me.
I didn't spit on you. Write 5.
People say, oh, don't move your rice so much, and I do it all the time.
Perfect. Okay, now can you draw a triangle over here?
Okay.
Until we get into a ball.
That's a square. We want a triangle. Do you want to look at the picture?
Okay.
It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It's a triangle.
Yeah.
And then I'll put it to 2.
Perfect. Now let's count the triangles.
1,
Uh-huh.
2,
Uh-huh.
2,
What about the hat?
3,
3. And what about the red one?
4,
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what number are you going to write here?
3.
Oh, did we have 3 or did we have 4?
Maggie, what's up with Marcy's father?
1, 2.
3, 4.
So, okay, so let's write the number 4.
You got it wrong.
But that's okay because we can make mistakes and we're just practicing right now, right?
He's not gonna fire you.
No, he's not going to fire you. I won't fire you either. I'll give you a special treat for doing all of this great work.
Yay!
Because she wanted to be
1.
7-day advance.
Look at that. 4. What else? Who else is 4? Anybody you know? No.
It used to be me.
Used to be you, but now you're what? If you were 4 last year, what are you this year? 5.
Don't high five me.
Don't high five you. And then you're going to be how old? If you were 5 now, you're going to be how old next year?
6.
6. Okay, let's draw a rectangle.
Okay.
Do you want help looking at the picture or you think you got it?
Help with my future. I think I got it now.
It has 4 sides. 2 are the same and the other 2 are the same.
Bruh.
Yeah, that's a rectangle.
That looks like a butt.
Yeah, it's a little bit, remember, lines are straight. They're not curved.
Right here. It's a gardenia. Gardenia.
I need to be the best one ever.
Mm-hmm. We're going to do this again after you make your scarecrow. So you can count, because this is mine, right? These are what I used on my scarecrow. And then we'll see what you're going to use on yours. Because you can make yours like mine, or you could use different shapes.
I need this
The rectangle.
Okay.
And or you could turn it this way. That's the beauty of a rectangle, too.
But I didn't.
You want to hold it this way?
Mine didn't blossom because I guess the pot's too small.
Perfect. Okay, let's count our rectangles.
Yeah.
1,
Uh-huh.
2,
Uh-huh.
3,
Uh-huh.
4,
What about the body?
5.
Mm-hmm.
I water it when I resign.
5.
Yeah. Or I'll stick my finger in and then see.
Awesome. So we have 5 circles, 5 squares, 4 triangles, and 5 rectangles. Good
This
job.
video is very long.
It is really long, right? Are you tired or are you okay?
I'm feeling great about myself.
Oh, I'm so glad you're feeling great about yourself. And look, so I have a paper here for you. And I have some different shapes. We have some circles,
I need
some
that to help.
rectangles. Some.
What if I need help with that?
You can use mine. I'll put mine like this so you can see. But you don't have to make it like mine. You made a good point. Your body could be a square. Your legs could be rectangles, squares, whatever you
I
want.
want to do like you.
Okay, so let's try to do like I did. What shape do you want to use first?
Rectangle.
For the body, we have.
I want to do purple.
Okay, you want to do purple? You have your glue stick?
Oh, blue. Blue.
Blue?
This is the people.
Blue or blue?
My new Maison, Zephon, and
How do you open
Zephyr
this thing?
in France. It's like
What's the
Yes,
name of
I'll put purple on me.
Don't put purple on you. Don't put purple on me. Okay, ready? Let's put some glue.
No, I'm looking
That's my nails, man.
Oh, I thought it was Spanish. Los Angels. Look at it. No, because Frankie has a hat that's, I think says angel on it. Angel.
what we got ex-wife back.
Okay, what shape do you want to put next? Here, I'm going to put them closer to you.
Rectangle.
So you can look in here and try to find the different shapes.
Look how cute. My life is not perfect, but I'm thankful for my sisters.
This.
Okay.
I'm being on my best behavior, right?
You were doing such a good job. I am very, very proud of you.
The squirrels must be expecting a cold winter. They're gathering more nuts than usual. Yesterday, my sister disappeared.
And now I'm ready for the. Oh.
Fucking fabulous. I do shit cupcakes and fart rainbows.
I'm ready for the circle.
Okay, so look in there for a circle.
This one's too big. I need to cut it.
You can use, there's littler, smaller circles. On the bottom. You found it? What's your favorite color?
Blue and red and white and black.
Oh, wow.
Because Spider-Man has white and black and blue and red.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to do these both. Oh.
Paid him $1. No, I paid $1 for the coat a year ago.
There we go. I'm literally not do it. Yeah,
Do you want me to open the glue a little more? I think it's...
I can do it. Wow, I'm best. I'm the best at opening.
You are really good at opening the glue.
I'm gluing.
This is from
Can't forget that. And now we put glue right there.
Lowest possible.
But the next time
Okay, let's put glue right there.
I used to like
Gently.
I was taking out a piece of hair.
Oh no, you would think these people, when you get,
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color? You're holding it right there. Pink.
Yay! I just did your favorite color.
Did. I also like red. Red is not a bad color either.
I did your.
You did it here too, yeah.
I'm not that bad. I'm doing my best behavior. I'm not doing that bad. I'm not fooling
You're
around.
not. You're doing a really good job. We're very, very proud of you.
Dad? Where's Dad?
Dada.
Dad.
Only one that reached out and said,
excuse me?
oh, you too.
no, I didn't.
No, you didn't. I didn't.
Look. Do you have chores to do?
Do I have chores? Sometimes. Keep going. What are you gonna do next?
Okay. Or you're not?
Say that about Martha.
No, we don't need the glue. What else do you want to put?
At 5 March, but I was out, that's a sick
The
thing.
face.
So I tell her,
What-
what's up?
what
She's
shape?
like,
The eyes.
We have lots of things.
I need to see
What shape are you gonna use?
the googly eyes.
It's never gonna hurt me. I'm worried about myself.
Okay, but first we can't put googly eyes on here because there's no head. You have to put a head
I have
first.
to do the big head.
You wanna do the big head? What shape are you gonna use?
The circle.
Okay.
This is the big head.
You see me, I don't even notice, right?
Okay, keep going.
We're making so many videos.
Mm-hmm. Hello, eyeball. You look so silly. That is so silly.
This is very good. Googly.
Googly eyes.
I love googly eyes. Look, it's Poppy.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look like I have one eye. Guess who's coming over today?
Riley.
Yes.
That's so exciting.
She's my cousin.
Mm-hmm.
I need a black pencil.
I don't have a black pencil. Can you use the regular pencil? Or if you keep going, I can go see if Mama has a pencil.
A black one. Let me do that. Oh, thank you.
You're very welcome.
I smile. Is that your best smile?
It's better than my smile.
No one ever best thing. Okay, with this thing. Pink legs.
Ooh.
Your favorite color.
My favorite color.
Pink. That's copy of it.
Okay.
You can copy me if you want to.
Oh, thank you. That's so kind of you. You okay? What was that? So silly.
What if I did an angry face?
On the scarecrow?
Yeah.
Well, in the book, he made different types of faces, right? He made some angry, some silly. He tried to get everybody to scare those crows away. Why are you using a rectangle for the legs? What did you choose that?
Black.
Oh, because I chose it? Why do you think I chose it?
Because it's your favorite color.
Maybe. Why else would I choose rectangles for the legs?
Because you wanted to.
Yeah, that's a good reason. But like, why? I mean, I could have done this. I could have put a circle. But does your leg look like a circle?
They're black.
A black square. Or you could put black shoes.
Guess who missed the Venom movie?
You've seen the Venom movie?
A little bit, and then I missed it because I was tired.
Yeah, that happens sometimes.
And then I have a good idea.
Tell me. You're gonna use a black pencil to make this shapes?
Yeah, this one.
Let's try it.
Oh, that's the best. That's the best idea.
Do you want black or do you want blue?
Blue. I did black.
Mm-hmm.
Look, I did black for the spring.
Mm-hmm.
That looks like a D.
It does look like a D. It also kind of looks like a circle.
Erase it.
I like it.
Okay. It's gonna be the best.
It's a good artistic choice. We could do circles for the shoes or squares.
Wow.
You want to add some stickers to it?
Oh,
We have circles, triangles, squares, and rectangles.
yeah.
Try not to use the hearts and the stars. We can put those somewhere else. But for this, we're going to use circles, triangles,
Circle.
squares, and rectangles.
You know I'm gonna pick square. Oh! Hit myself.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Ah! Let's see what oh, we got pink on me. Get away from me. Get away from me.
Here, keep picking your stickers.
Weird. Yeah. Let me try though.
She'll tell me.
Scarecrow, Scarecrow, where are you? Now I found you. You're gonna get scared.
Oh my. Scarecrow, Scarecrow, what shape is your head? We picked a circle, and Mason did too. Scarecrow, Scarecrow, what shape is your body? I picked a rectangle, and Mason picked a
Rectangle.
Scarecrow, Scarecrow, what shape is your arms? I picked a rectangle, Mason picked a
Rectangle.
Scarecrow, Scarecrow, what shape is your hands?
I picked circle and she is in yellow
Pick circle.
circles.
Scarecrow, Scarecrow, what shape is your legs? I picked a rectangle, Mason picked a
Rectangle.
rectangle. Scarecrow, Scarecrow, what shape is your hat? I picked a triangle.
I picked a star.
A star? I don't think your Scarecrow has a hat.
Thing is that she says something.
Shoot.
You got rid of it. Your Scarecrow's not wearing a hat, but mine is. Are you gonna put one on?
Yes. Let's put it upside down.
That's so a triangle. You can go this way. You can go this way. You can go this way. It doesn't matter. There's all the same size.
Looks like a star.
It's kind of yeah. Triangles. I mean, stars have like 5 little triangles.
I'm gonna do. Why is this really mean so much? Why is this so thin?
Is it itchy?
It's like,
Is it your chain?
oh, I have a necklace.
Want to take on the outside?
Yeah. Yeah.
You can do it. Is it inside your T-shirt too?
Yes. It's on my t-shirt. I need to put this in.
Do you need help?
I almost sneakily put it up.
Whoa!
It's like a cross.
I like it. Did you get that in school?
I got my chain.
Do I have my cross on? No, I think I have my heart on today.
Yeah.
But I usually have a cross too. I got it when I did my first communion.
I'm gonna do a. I'm gonna do a.
Hey Mason, you're missing a hat. What shape are you gonna use?
I'm gonna use triangle. Woo! Look at my chain. Look at my necklace.
Oh, your necklace looks like it has two rectangles, right? Two rectangles. Are you okay? That was so dramatic. My little Mason. Let's finish your hat. We're so close.
We're almost finished.
Yeah, we just have to finish, and then we have to count how many shapes you used.
I used the shape that you used.
We did, but you don't have a hat, and mine has a hat. So you're gonna make a hat on yours?
Yes. I'm gonna do circle. Can you do that?
Ooh, a circle hat? That's a good choice.
You don't need it.
Here, you wanna sit in the chair and I'll push you in?
I'm so yeah.
Okay, come on, let's get serious again. Come on, we're so close. We're so close. So, are you going to copy my hat or are you going to pick your own shape?
My own shape?
Ooh, what shape are you gonna pick?
Yellow.
I like that you're choosing a circle because if you look at the book, It looks like his hat is a circle too. My hat kind of looks like a witch's hat, and yours is like
The hat.
a sun hat, like a round circular hat.
I'm gonna do a rectangle.
A rectangle on the bottom,
They say it's the easiest.
and then a circle on top, or just a rectangle.
My dad lives right here, so it should be easy for it to get cubby. Look at it, this necklace. It's called cross necklace.
And if you look at the cross here, we'll take two shapes.
It makes me get a
Look, if I take a rectangle and I put them together,
looks like a cross.
it looks like a cross. Okay, so
God.
do you feel like you are all done? Or do you want to add more?
I need to add more.
Okay, keep going.
Maggie, I have, just keep it all, everything for them now, right? For George and, because I have all those mirrors kicking in here, on the mirrors. I have those glasses like that.
Ooh.
That is a very nice artistic choice.
Now look at that.
You feel like you're all set?
Yeah.
Want to show them? Show the camera your beautiful scarecrow. Should we write your name on it?
Yup, my name. I want to do it black. I want to do eat over the space. Out my own universe, give me space. Out my own universe, give me space. I know what's that. I know what's that.
Black. Black what? Black, please.
Black, please. This black smells good.
Don't smell it. It's a Sharpie.
But she said the quality of the food is not the same.
How do you erase it?
You can't erase it. It's permanent. But that's a good M. We started. And what comes next?
A.
And I think they just renovated.
Yeah? Take that fucking piano on?
Maison. Good job, Mason. Okay, so now we're going to do one more thing. We're going to put your scarecrow right up here.
I'm gonna show the camera. Let me turn it around. I moved.
We'll put it up here because it
Guys,
keeps falling.
you want to see this? I got it.
Where are you bringing it? Hi. Let's count our shapes. Oh, you're going to show him that way? That's a good shape.
Guys, it's Mr.
Does your scarecrow have a name?
Huh?
Do you have a name?
L-E-O-I.
Leoie? Leoie?
Lucas.
Lucas. I like that name. Do you have a friend named Lucas at school?
I'm gonna name him Jordan.
Jordan?
Yeah.
Ooh, like Michael Jordan?
Yeah.
Okay, let's count our shapes. This will be the last thing and then we're all done. So take your pencil. Do you want some water?
Okay.
Okay, so draw your circle. And now let's count how many circles we have.
I want to do it with the black marker. Black markers are
Hold on,
like
I'm gonna put a paper so Mama doesn't get mad. It goes onto the table. There you go.
Okay, save them because somebody might need a new coat. Maggie,
Okay, but let's count the circles. Go ahead. Look at your scarecrow. Count how many circles
What's
you
a
see.
triangle? It's a triangle.
Let's count your circles, Mason. How many circles are on your...
1, 2,
Uh-huh,
3,
uh-huh.
4, 5.
Okay, so can you write 5? You sure you don't want to try pencil? Because a pencil you can erase. Or do you want to leave it in the Sharpie? There, try that.
I have an idea.
Write a number 5.
Oh, I'm strong.
You're so strong. Go ahead, write a 5.
No. Okay.
Woohoo! 5 circles. Okay. Now you drew your square already. So, let's count how many squares we have. And remind me, what shape is this?
Square.
Okay.
Alright, 1,
Uh-huh.
2, 3. Is there 3? 4.
Uh-huh.
4.
4. Let's see. 1, 2,
2,
3, 4. But what about the hat? You added a special shape to it.
Square.
You added a square, so that makes it
5.
5. Okay, and now triangle. Draw your triangle.
I need a triangle.
Can you try to do it from memory, what a triangle looks like? Remember the song? Or you can look for a triangle somewhere on your scarecrow. This is a triangle, this is a triangle. How can you tell? How can you tell? It has 3 sides. 1.
Ta-da!
Is there a nicer way you can say that?
Quiet, be
Please
quiet.
stop singing.
Please stop
Thank you.
What can concentrate?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Maggie, how can I turn this on?
Okay, let's count our triangles.
Now this.
No, these thick. These are not.
Good. Okay, let's count the triangles first.
1. Different.
This one?
Yeah.
How many buttons do you have?
1, 2, 2, 2.
2. Oh, remember a 2 is like this. So we have like a hook and then straight.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
And I don't consider myself like a good cook. Like I don't like
Can I show you?
Extra. No.
Hold on, I want to show you how I do it first. Look. We start here, we go over and down.
Am I this up?
I was gonna take them, but forget about it. No, I gotta get ready for my wedding now that you say that.
Good. Okay, now rectangles.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6. Okay, so
7.
can we count again?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Can you point to it as you count?
1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5.
5.
It's 5.
What about the body? What shape is the body?
6.
6. So we have 6 in total.
It's a lot. It's a lot of preparation.
Woohoo! Are you gonna do it again? Nice.
I've been going to the girl. No, because you know why?
You want to see white?
Because
I really like how your scarecrow and my scarecrow are the same, but also a little bit different, right? So
I
that's-
want to color.
you want to color? Okay. So do you think that we are all done? Did you enjoy this math activity?
Yes.
Do you want to look at the shapes one more time? What shape is this one?
Triangle.
What shape is this one?
Rectangle.
What shape is this one?
Circle.
What shape is this one?
No, but
Square.
Square! Yay, Mason! Good job, Mason. Are we all done?
Yes.
Good job.